Welcome students. Today we will discuss EVS chapter 2 My Body is Strong. All of you look at your book page number 19. Hello again. I went for a long walk with my father. We exercised in the garden. My father told me about our different body parts. He told me the body parts that we can be seen from outside are called external body parts. Here we will discuss about external body parts. Before that, you just see her Roma said that she was walking with her father. Her father and she both exercised in the garden. You just see how both are doing exercise in the garden. You also doing exercise. Roma's father told her about different body parts. Her father told her that the body parts which we can see, clear, which we can see from outside. Just tell me which body parts you can see yourself. That is head, leg, eye, ear, nose, hand, foot, toes, fingers. Understood? These are external body parts. Here are some external body parts. You just see, look at the picture and draw a line from each level to make the correct part of the body. All of you take out your pencil and do like this. Here just draw the line. Here hair, nose, ear, eye, neck, chest, wrist, hand, knee, foot, head, eyebrow, mouth, chin, shoulder, elbow, arm, tummy, leg, ankle. Understood? These all are external body parts. Clear? These parts we can see. So these are external body parts. Then my father also told me that parts of a body are called organs and each organ has a specific function to perform. Here father also told that parts of a body are called organs. These are the parts of the body. These are called organs. That means each organ does some work, like eyes help us to see, ears help us to hear, nose help us to smell. So every organ performs some work. Students, open your page number 20. Page number 20. You just see, guess the body parts. Read the riddles below carefully and guess the body parts. Take help from the images and works provided in the box. Just see, here some words are given. These are the box and here you will fill up this one. All of you take out your pencil and write down. Each stage of and it contains the brains, ears, eyes, nose and mouth. We use it for nodding. This is your head. Number 2. These are two openings in the nose that help us to breathe. Here, that is nostrils. They help us bite and chew food, that is teeth. It helps us to taste, chew and swallow food, that is tongue. The rest of things you just write down. The face, here ears, elbow, hand, eyelid, nails. Then page number 22, number 11, that is toes, waist, legs, hair. Then this one, I am not a curtain, but you close me every night so that you can go to sleep. I am what gives you your sight. Who am I? Here you write down I. Now, page number 23. My father told me that there are many body parts or organs present inside our body. These organs are called internal body parts. Means which organs inside our body, that is your internal body parts. That means we cannot see that one. He showed me this chart and explained the parts to me. You just see brain, bones, stomach, heart, lungs, muscles. Our brain works like a computer. It helps us to learn, remember, and think. It also controls our body and all its activities. Your brain, it is your like a computer. Clear? And it helps us to learn, to remember, to think, and also control our body and all its activities, means all works. Our brain help us to control all our activities. He made me put my hand on the left side of my chest. I heard my heartbeat. He told me that the heart continuously pumps blood to all body parts. You just put your hand on the left side of your chest. You also feel the heartbeat. Understood? So that heartbeat continuously pumps blood to all body parts. We also have two lungs which help us to breathe. Lungs, this is your lung and it helps us to breathe. Then stomach. Stomach is a large bag-like organ that turns food so that we can digest it and our body can use it. This is your stomach and it is like a bag. And what is the work of this stomach? It helps us to grind our food, and it helps us to digest. Clear? Then our muscles. Our muscles are like rubber bands. They help our body bend and move. You just see, this is like a rubber band. You might have seen rubber band, how it can expand. Elastic. That is how it can expand, means how you can stretch this one like that. Your muscle also like a rubber band, and it helps our body bend and move. You can bend it, you can move it. The bones. The bones give us support to stand. They also help us move and protect our other organs. This is your bone, and without bone we can stand. We can't do any work. You suppose here in my palm, this is my finger. If there will be no bone, here you see in the hard part is your bone. If that bone, there will be no bone, then I can stretch this one. Understood? It will be like this or like maybe any other position. So the bones give us support to stand, and it help us move, protect our other organs. Then page number 24. All of you open your book, page number 24. It is one exercise, and you just see and do like this. Now that you know about our internal organs, I already told you internal body organs. Match the organs given below with their names. Here are the organs, here are the names. You have to match like this. Clear? Then Mr. Bones has lost some of his bones. Help him put his bones in right spots. Write the number in the body for the correct piece of bone. Here you just see the blank space given here and numbers are given here. I have written like this. You also write like this. Thank you.